Hi, hello, welcome to Easy Classes. If you are watching our video first time, request you to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon. Friend, in this video we are going to learn how we can create dual messengers like WhatsApp and Facebook on single phone. Yes friends, if you want to use dual WhatsApp accounts on your single phone, that you can possibly do that easily. Also, if you want to use dual Facebook accounts also, you can do that. Okay, let's jump to the tutorial. In the most manufacturers, they will provide dual messengers or twin messengers to clone the application. So to find that, go to the settings and go to the search icon. There you have to search for dual. Then you will find dual messenger or dual apps or twin messengers. So then click on the dual messenger. So I'm using Samsung phone, that's why it's showing under advanced features. Click on the dual messenger or twin app, then scroll down. There you will find dual messenger option. Click on that again. So in your case, if you are using other applications like Instagram and other social medias, and most manufacturers they will provide few more options, but in my mobile it's showing only two options, Facebook and WhatsApp. I want to create a clone WhatsApp, so click on the enable button beside WhatsApp. So click on install. Now confirm the agreement. So that is only privacy checkup. Then you can see this is turn off right now. Then click on off to show the contacts. Now select the preferred contacts and say done. It's installing the clone app on the same phone. Now you can see the second copy has enabled. If you are using dual SIM on your phone, then this is the right method that you can clone the two WhatsApp and you can use two accounts on the same phone. Let me see the cloned app. This is the app. Let me bring to the home screen. Now you can see there are two WhatsApp on my same phone. Now open the new WhatsApp. There you can use with the new number. You can sign up here with a different mobile number and you can use. Let me go back now. Friend, this is the first method we can use. And if you don't have the dual messenger feature on your phone, then you can use the business WhatsApp. Let me show you how. Open the Play Store and download the WhatsApp business. Let me open that and I have already installed it. Now close the app, then you can find the WhatsApp business on my phone. Let me bring to the home screen. Now you can see I'm having 3 WhatsApp numbers. Open the WhatsApp business. There you have to sign in with a different phone number. Friend, this is how we can use dual WhatsApp or dual Facebooks on your same Android phone. Hope this video helps you. If you like this video, please like, share and comment. Let's meet in the next video. Till then, bye bye.